Welcome to Galaxy Solar Center. Galaxy Solar Center proudly introduces EveOn electric bikes, Pakistan's trusted name in smart electric mobility, designed for efficiency, comfort, and long-term savings. EveOn electric bikes offer a powerful alternative to fuel-based transport, ideal for daily commuting, business use, and eco-conscious riders. Available range: 8 models of EveOn electric bike. At Galaxy Solar Center, we offer 8 different EveOn electric bike models, carefully selected to meet diverse customer needs. Urban commuter model, ideal for daily city travel. Extended range model, longer battery backup for distance riders. Heavy-duty model, suitable for delivery and commercial use. Comfort ride model, smooth suspension for daily comfort. Sporty design model, modern look with powerful performance. Economy model, best for fuel savings and affordability. Smart features model, digital display and advanced controls. Premium model, high performance with premium finishing. Multiple colors and specifications available. Key benefits of EveOn electric bikes: zero fuel cost, save thousands every month. Eco-friendly, no emissions, clean and green transport. Low maintenance, fewer moving parts, less servicing. Strong battery performance, reliable range for daily use. Quiet and smooth ride, noise-free and comfortable. Cost-effective investment, ideal for personal and business use. Easy charging, charge at home or with solar solutions. Trusted brand, EveOn quality with Galaxy Solar Center support. Why buy from Galaxy Solar Center? Authentic EveOn electric bikes, expert guidance and after-sales support. Solar-powered charging solutions available. Competitive pricing and trusted service. Switch to smarter mobility today. Visit Galaxy Solar Center and experience EveOn electric bikes, where innovation meets sustainability. Contact us at 0339 000 0021 or visit us, Main Chichawatni Road, Galaxy Solar Center, Burewala.